Hi guys, my name is Melia and I'm in grade 4. And this is a math project by Mrs. Gihad. So let's get into it right now. This is the right angle and this is the acute angle, obtuse angle, and straight angle. These are 4 kinds of angles that you need to know before getting into grade 5. First up, we have the right angle. It's called the right angle because it has 90 degrees and it's straight from both sides. It cannot be like this, cannot be acute. And acute is this shape. It cannot be obtuse, or else that would be a big mistake. Cannot be obtuse at all. I know it kind of looks like an obtuse, but it's not obtuse. And it's 90 degrees. The obtuse isn't 90 degrees. So that's what is the difference between the both. The right angle. Repeat after me so you can know the angles. The right angle. Now we have the acute angle. The acute angle. The acute angle is an angle like this shape. This shape is an acute angle. This shape is an acute angle. So this shape is like between 0 and 90 degrees. Repeat after me so we can know it. 0 and 90 degrees. And this has to be like this shape. It cannot be this, cannot be straight, or it cannot be obtuse. Acute angle. Now we have the obtuse angle. The obtuse angle. It has to be like this. And as you can see, if you can do a square here, it will not form. Only a right angle can form a square. It cannot form any squares in here. That's what the difference also between the 90 degrees and the 90 to 180 degrees. It's called the obtuse angle. Repeat after me. The obtuse angle. And then at last we have the straight angle. The straight angle is really known because of its straightness. And it's only 180 degrees. You cannot move it like an obtuse angle. You cannot move it like an acute angle. You cannot move it like a right angle. It has to be a straight angle. And these were the four types of angles. Now we have a summary. The summary is about the 4 types of angles. So, first we have also the right angle. Repeat after me. The right angle. The right angle, you can see here, we can do half a square and it will be a full full square. Half a square and it'll be a full square. Because it's literally 90 degrees. It cannot change from 90 degrees to 180 degrees. This was the right angle. Next we have the acute angle. Repeat after me. The acute angle. The acute angle is like between 0 to 90 degrees. 0 to 90 degrees. It cannot be a straight angle, an obtuse angle, or a right angle. It has to be its acute. It has to be its self angle. Self angle has to be like this. It cannot change from this to this. It has to be this. Now we learned the acute angle. Now we have the obtuse angle. The obtuse angle is an angle that has to be between 90 degrees to 180 degrees. As you can see here, it has to be between 90 degrees, but it's not 90 degrees. You cannot say that. It's between them. It cannot be 180 or 90. It has to be between them. It cannot be them. This was an obtuse angle and it's shaped like this. You have to also practice the shapes. You cannot forget the shapes or else that will be a shame on you. Now we have the last but not least angle, the straight angle. It's already known from its name because it's a straight angle. And you could draw a straight angle like this. And it's so easy to draw. You just have to draw a straight line and then put a little circle in the middle and voila! You've got your straight angle. The straight angle also has to be 180 degrees. It cannot be 90 degrees. Cannot be 0 to 90 degrees. It cannot be 90 to 180 degrees. It has to be 180. And this is the last number in your protractor. You can see from 0 to 180. And this 180, this degrees, is the last degrees in the protractor. And you need to know this fact really much. Because if you say, if a question gets you and say, what's the last number in the protractor? It will be 180 degrees. Then what about if I tell you what is the angle that has 180 degrees? Can you tell me? Comment down below in the comments. And this was all for today. This was the summary project and the game project. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and